Partly cloudy this evening, then clearing.
People drowning in the rivers.
Father and infant daughter face down in the Rio Grande.
Clear. Lows in the lower 60s.